Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about ensuring quality control in manufacturing with virtual data rooms. Quality control is a critical aspect of manufacturing that directly impacts product safety, compliance, customer satisfaction, and the overall success of a business as manufacturing processes have become more complex and global. Managing quality control information efficiently has become increasingly challenging. Virtual data rooms have emerged as valuable tools for manufacturers to enhance quality control process. In this article, we will explore how virtual data rooms are used to ensure quality control in manufacturing and their benefits in this context. Centralized document management. Manufacturing involves vast array of documents including product specification, design, drawing, manufacturing industries, quality standards and compliance records. Virtual data rooms offer a centralized platform for organizing and managing these documents efficiently. Document repository. Virtual data rooms serve as a secure repository for all critical quality control document, ensuring easy access and reducing the risk of document loss or duplications. Version control. Virtual data rooms maintain version history, allowing teams to track change, revisions, and updates to critical documents. This ensures that history allowing teams to track change, revisions, and updates and quality of critical documents. This ensures that everyone is working with the most updated information. Number 2, streamline collaboration. Effective collaboration among teams, suppliers, and quality control personnel is vital for maintaining high quality standards. Virtual data rooms facilitate collaboration by secure access control. Virtual data rooms allow manufacturers of grant access to specific documents or sections of the repository to authorized personnel only. This ensures that sensitive quality control information is shared only with those who need it. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.